Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to hide WhatsApp chat lock without password. You can leverage the biometrics, Face ID, or fingerprint to secure the folder and use emojis as your hidden secret code entry trigger. So go ahead to WhatsApp and let's lock a chat here. Right, so let's say I want to lock this chat. So I'm going to hold the name, right? I'm going to hold their name, right? Pop-up window will show up. Hit lock chat and confirm via facial recognition. Swipe up, right, to access lock chat, and again confirm via facial recognition. Hit settings in the top right. Press secret code. You can add a word or emoji, but make it memorable, right? This will add another layer of protection instead of just using the traditional text password. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps.